No! No! Neil! Neil! Neil!
Howdy. I'm rolling down a little lower.
What can I do for you?
I'm not supposed to be here right now. The park's closed.
Did I do something wrong or what?
No, you're just not supposed to be here.
Why is it closed? It's normally open.
It's been a series of mysterious deaths in the area. It's not exactly a safe spot to be.
Yeah, I didn't have nothing to do with that.
I'm not saying.
You know, I'll be on my way.
All right.
I'm sorry.
Be safe now.
We got ourselves a chicken murder, and we got ourselves a sheriff. We gonna catch that damn chicken murderer. We always do. Before sundown. They just went this way. Come on, you can find them if you can. Yeehaw! Chicken murder! Children, dogs, no one's safe out here. Hot damn, I always like a chicken murder. You always know there's a chicken behind something. Come on, this way. I'll tell you where it is. We're close. We're real close. Just through them trees. In the woods. Hot damn, just up ahead. We're gonna get us a chicken murderer. We got a sheriff and everything. Gonna find the body real soon. Hot damn. I bet I'll even be on TV. I bet I will. Hot damn. That's all I can say. Hot damn.
Hey, you! Where's my stuff?
What in doggone blazes are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. Where is the chicken?
What chicken?
It was the lure of the chicken. That's all I can say. Hot damn.
Okay.
Hey, good one. Very good.